Okay, now on to the main course. Okay, so following down the Asian vibe, we've gone with some sort of 5-spice chicken, and then we're going to make basically a soba noodle salad. So we've got some soba noodles, some noodle dressing, we've got some carrot and some celeriac and some orange segments, and then we're going to do a bit of a stir fry with the greens and some of this dressing, and then we've got some coriander, chili and spring onion just to put on top. Okay, so first things first, chicken in the oven. So yeah, skin side up. It's going to be a good 15 minutes until that gets hot. So in the meantime, let's make our noodle salad. Noodles in. Noodle veg and fruit in. And then the noodle dressing. That's literally it. Give it a nice mix around. Looking and smelling pretty tasty. I was going to pop that somewhere a little bit warm just so it takes the chill off it. Just going to give this a bit of a seal with some oil. So when that pan is just about smoking, we'll chuck our greens in, get a nice little sizzle, and we go straight in with our dressing, which should steam it a bit, and a little bit of water so it doesn't all stick. There we go. And we'll just toss that around until the greens are wilted. We don't really want that liquid left, so we'll cook that off quickly. Is the greens done? Okay, so our chicken's ready, everything else is ready. Let's get plating. Noodle salad. Just going to do slightly off centre. All the nice coloury bits on top. We got our nicely stir-fried greenery. We're going to spread around the bottom here. We're hoping to have some nice chard off of Harehill for this one, so might be a bit different by the time you get it, but pretty similar. Any of that juice we've got left, we'll just get it all on. Ginger and chili bits in, and then the chicken, you could cut this up. Just for this, I'm just going to pop it on. One, and two. One, and two. And same again, you got all this nice sauce in the bottom. Drizzle it all over. Drizzle it all over. Go with a few spring onions. A few bits of red chilli. Keep on going.